How to see liked videos on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can see liked videos on Snapchat. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, you can tap on the top left corner on your Bitmoji. And you should be on your profile like this. After you're here, scroll down. After you scroll down, you should see a section that says My Favorites. If you have liked a few videos on Snapchat, you'll find your favorites option right around here. So after you find My Favorites option, you can tap on the View All option. And after you tap on View All, you should be able to see all of the videos that you've liked on your Snapchat. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And bye-bye. Take care.